Madrid summers are hot and dry and dusty, but not down there. There was a cold emptiness that goes straight through you. A constant drip-dropping of water, forming pools that would make me jump with the splash of my feet. And that dark passage became a tangled web of tunnels. I could hear trains rumbling, people going about their business as though tonight was no special night. Twisted pipes formed sinister shapes that my mind made into monsters. I clutched Paquita as tight as I could. She could see and smell in the darkness, so she was my little living lantern. And I could feel her tiny heart beating against mine. I don't know what led me. Perhaps it was luck or fate or whatever you want to call it. But I've not felt it since. That knowing, that need to press onward into the labyrinth. Knowing that in every labyrinth dwells a minotaur. And so he ran, dragging me along by my wrist? I freed myself as he burst through the door and went straight to jam the curtain shut. He was panting and muttering to himself, think, what next, what next? I asked him what was happening, Uncle Manolo. Quiet! He snapped at me. I didn't understand. Pack up your things! I've seen him angry before. But never like this. This was fear. Fear of getting caught. So I told him I seen him shoot that man and I was going to tell everybody. Enough of your stupid childish fantasies! You've done nothing but get in the way! You're leaving! Now! And that was it. There was no going back from there. As soon as I got home, I told my mother what had happened and she just brushed it off. Didn't even give it a second thought. I mean, I saw her brother, her own brother, kill somebody. Actually, murder someone. After a while, I stopped telling because, well, nobody ever believed it. I mean, why would they, really? It just sounded so silly. That's my mom again. She's the last person I want to talk to right now. Thank you. I really didn't need any of that right now. Wait a second. Right, what have we got here? Take this out. No, really, don't point that at me. Huh? It says these are blanks. That's... No, I saw him shoot that man. He fell off the damn bridge, I saw it. And he sent me away because I was the only one who knew what he had done. And what he was. I mean, he couldn't even look me in the eye. Wait. Who is that? Could he actually have been there? Well, no, Lola, not really. Not after what you saw at the bridge. But at this point, does it even matter? I can go over this time and time again, but it's not going to change anything. It's this tangled up mess of confusion and deceit and shame. In the end, nobody's left with the truth. Well, this brings back good memories, at least. Wait, you don't think there will still be film in here, do you? Okay, quick, turn off the light. Because if there is, I don't want to ruin it. Gotta be careful. Alright. Here. Bag them on the line to dry. Nothing? Nothing yet? Oh my god, this is nerve-wracking. What's in that photo? Pass it to me. What?
Dearest Lola, I hope that you will return someday and this letter will find its way into your hands. You deserve my full honesty. Honesty. I don't think I know what that word means anymore. You must believe me when I say that those men you saw me with are not and never have been my friends. No. These are animals, brutes, who have been trying to take control of this beautiful city for years. My job was to infiltrate this group, become one of them, and bring them down from within. But as cruel fate would have it, they accepted me into their rotten world the same day you, dear Lola, arrived on the train. What's worse, in my distraction, I'd gotten sloppy. Perhaps it's my age or maybe the liquor, but it's no excuse. Carelessness just won't cut it when you're undercover. Soon enough, one rat has sniffed out another. I've been close to coming undone before, so I've learned a thing or two along the way. I knew I had to offer him something no one else would. Have you ever wondered how police protection sounds to a rat? Like an opportunity. He didn't need much, just a gentle push, and about as much sauce as my old liver could take. And soon enough we were in business. The guy liked to talk, and I was all ears. I am not ashamed to admit it, the guy grew on me. We had the kind of friendship that only men who know each other's secrets can have. It seemed I was safe, and so for a time were you. But soon enough, the wolf started to smell a rat in the lair, and I started to sweat. Suddenly, I was handed a gun and promoted to pest control. Now, I hate rodents as much as the next man, but I'm no killer. So I did exactly as the wolf asked. I got rid of the problem, my way. If there is one quality that defines rats, it's their survival instinct. He wasn't gonna turn down a one-way ticket to some distant South American paradise. It needed no small amount of finesse. I had to collect on a few debts and cash in some favors, but after some theatrics, the rat was on his merry way to freedom. The only thing I'd overlooked, an inquisitive little girl and a cross-eyed dog. We were damn lucky to escape that place. The wolf was on the hunt, and I had no intention of letting any of us become his prey. But I couldn't do anything until I knew for sure that you'd be safe. So, I had to send you home, Lola. God knows you'd already seen enough misery in Madrid. Every truck in my life ran through that station that night. You were gone. The rat had his bounty, and the wolf had followed my trail. There's a reason why they hunt in packs, Lola. Alone, their bloodthirst tends to get the better of them. His prey had become his predator, and my own pack was closing in. But I couldn't hang my head up quite yet. You see, there's two parts to putting criminals behind bars. The first is what you see in the movies. You knock them out and lock them up tight in the darkest corner you can find. But if you don't have yourself a proper case, sooner or later they'll find a way out. I hope you know I couldn't have closed this case without you. When all is said and done, I know nothing I say will excuse or make you forget how I treated you. But if I ask anything of you, it's to hold tight to the good things, the in-between times, those little moments of joy that we so readily forget. If only I could turn back the hands of time, I would have quit this game a long time ago. This is no life for an old dog like me. My place was making memories with my only niece, And now war is on its way. So I too must leave. I sure will miss this city. A smarter man than me once said that the best lead you'll ever get is your own gut. Don't let anybody drown that voice out, Lola. If only I'd listened to mine sooner. I leave you with my endearing love. Your uncle, Manolo.
Don't look at me like that. You would be crying too if it was your uncle. All this time I thought... It doesn't matter what I thought. I was wrong and now he's gone. Forever. I just wish he would have told me sooner. Who knows what happened to him? He could have disappeared during the war or gotten polio or, I don't know, run away with a lover or something. Wait, that is the only thing I really know, right? That he's gone. Let me see. It's been, what, 15 years or so? Okay, well, he was old, but not that old. Look at this. San Francisco, Saigon, Casablanca, Rio, Paris. And there's this dates. Okay. This might sound insane. But if Manolo was crazy enough to hide a letter and a photo in an old camera for me to find it, it's not that hard to believe he will be sending this here, right? And look at this one. November the 5th, 1950. That's less than 6 months ago. Hola? Mama? Of course it's me, Mom. Listen. Mama, please listen to me this time. I'm not getting married next month. Oh, I don't know, maybe next year? I'm sure he'll understand. And if he doesn't, so be it. No, Mama, that's not the point. I just have to follow my gut on this one. Yes, I'm absolutely sure. I love you too. Adios.